Good evening and a warm welcome to the HEAL Security Dispatch Daily Digest, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity trends and expert insights, proudly presented by HEAL Security. I'm Ed Hall, joining you from London, ready to explore the vital nexus of healthcare and cybersecurity intelligence today. Today is Wednesday, the 25th of March 2026. Join me as we explore the complex terrain of cybersecurity in the digital world. A widely used AI-related Python package was compromised in a supply chain attack, exposing developers to a multi-stage credential stealer that harvested sensitive data, including API keys, cloud credentials, and SSH configurations. The malicious versions were briefly available but potentially impacted a large number of systems due to the package's widespread use in AI development workflows. A resurgence of the pay-to-key ransomware is targeting Linux systems, focusing on organizational networks and using updated techniques to infiltrate servers and encrypt critical data for extortion. The campaign highlights a growing shift toward Linux-focused ransomware operations as attackers pursue high-value infrastructure. Researchers have uncovered a SmartApeSG ClickFix campaign distributing the Remcos remote access Trojan, relying on social engineering tactics that trick users into executing malicious fixes. The attack chain is designed to appear legitimate, increasing the chances of successful infection. A newly identified TORG Crypto Infostealer is targeting hundreds of cryptocurrency wallets designed to extract sensitive financial data and exfiltrate it to attacker-controlled infrastructure. The malware underscores the continued focus on crypto assets as a lucrative target for cybercriminals. An AI-assisted OpenClaw Trap campaign is leveraging Trojanized GitHub repositories to distribute malware, targeting developers who unknowingly download compromised code. The operation reflects a broader trend of attackers abusing trusted development platforms to gain initial access. Mozilla has introduced a built-in VPN feature in Firefox 149, signaling continued efforts to integrate privacy and security tools directly into mainstream browsers. The move aims to enhance user protection as online threats and tracking concerns continue to grow. Microsoft is warning of a surge in highly targeted phishing campaigns aimed at accountants and tax professionals, exploiting tax season to steal credentials and deploy malware. Attackers are using personalized client-like communication to increase credibility and successfully compromise high-value financial targets. Thank you for listening. I'm Ed Hall, and we appreciate your time and listening. I'm excited to have you with us again tomorrow for more insightful updates. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for continuous coverage and expert analysis, and sign up for a free trial of HEAL Security Desktop at healsecurity.com. Until we meet again, don't have nightmares, stay informed and secure in the digital world.